We thanked you for your patience as we completed 261 projects across Britain this August bank holiday. Thousands of colleagues delivered essential upgrades to budget and time. Our £79.3 million investment will improve train performance and give you a more reliable railway. We reopened the West Coast Main Line through Staffordshire, Cheshire and Greater Manchester. For 21 days, we improved bridges, tracks and overhead lines for better services. The work covered 50 miles of railway. One of our biggest projects on the West Coast Main Line was the Greek Street Bridge. We replaced the bridge in Stockport, which takes a roundabout over the railway. The original bridge was built in 1958 and had reached the end of its life. Teams continued upgrading signalling in Lewisham in London. A £90 million investment will mean modern equipment for fewer delays. Lewisham is one of the busiest parts of the South Eastern Trains network. In southwest London, we replaced the middle girders of Barnes Bridge. They form the bridge's backbone, so upgrading them will keep trains running reliably. We also replaced the blocks that run under the tracks.